Have you heard of word lists? Do you know what's the meaning of word lists and what are they used for? Well, this is going to be the topic of our video today. Today we will talk about word lists. But before we start it, please don't use them against anybody. Family, friends, or ex-friend. You don't need to get yourself in trouble. This video is just for educational purpose. It's meant to show you how to test password policies and to see if your password policy is okay. That's all. Now let's get started. First, word lists are kind of collection of words and letters, symbols, which are used as passwords. And they are basically based on like some widely used password, easy to guess password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or ABCD kind of passwords. And there are more. There are some leaked passwords from websites, from databases, which also used in these documents. And we use them in Hydra or any password attack tool. I'm going to show you, for example, the password attacks, and we have here, for example, Hydra. I'm going to use the one with the graphical interface. There is one with a graphical interface. I'm going to search for it. So it's Hydra graphical, and we have here, for example, the list. We can search for a list. For example, it's showing me the list here, and we can use one of these lists inside Hydra. We can also refer to the path of the list in the terminal and use them in the terminal. But now where to find them? We can find them easily if we go to the terminal and then we type word lists and then -h, which is going to show us the list of all word lists on our Kali Linux. I think I forgot to mention that they are pre-installed on Kali Linux. You don't need to install them. But if you are using another system other than Kali Linux like Ubuntu, you need to install them manually. And we have also here the Rockyu, which is a huge collection of passwords, which also can be used. It's compressed now, and it's asking me if I want to extract the information from this file. We don't need to do that now. Now we saw in the terminal the path to all these passwords. Let's check them on the system. I'm gonna go to open folder and then search for the word lists. We need now to go to the file system and to user, and under share we will find the word lists folder. And here inside this folder, you will have all these lists. So if you want to use them in the terminal, just click on the path, copy it, and use it there. I have also a video explaining how to use it, how to brute force a password in the terminal. Well, the last thing, let me show you how to install them. Let me open a new terminal. You can install them by using sudo apt install word lists, and that's it. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.